Lexus has always stood out with men's speed body kits, and the Lexus RX remains one of our best-selling models. Today, we're introducing the Litz body kit for the X350 and RX 100h F-Sport. Designed to enhance the sporty character of the F-Sport, this kit adds a more refined and aggressive appearance while maintaining Lexus premium elegance. Now, let's take a closer look at the details. Let's take a look at the front design of the Lexus RX by MZ Speed. The front styling features a front half spoiler, front grille garnish, and LED daylight kit. While maintaining the original Lexus silhouette, the bold sporty design creates a stronger garnish with the SUV presence look. The refined LED daylight kit complete the luxurious appearance. Next, let's move on to the side steps. These side steps as designed as segment-mounted pieces featuring a doored structure. Based on a clean design that follows the body line, the combination of pressed lines and the duct-inspired styling creates a bold and distinctive appearance. For the rear section, the package includes a rear underspoiler, rear gate spoiler, and exhaust system. The rear underspoiler features a dynamic block design that matches the sporty front styling while maintaining the refined premium feel unique to Lexus. To complete the look, the dual layout exhaust system on both sides adds a more sporty and powerful impression. So, what do you think? Did you like the Lexus RX by MZ Speed? In addition to the body kit, Macfin Speed also offers original custom alloy wheels. For pricing, inquiries, and more detailed information, please check the description below. See you next time.